Hi my friends, my name is Ed Vega and you're on Dongdong TV. Tonight I will teach you how to put your desired scene on purpose to your YouTube video thumbnail, just like this. A while ago, I set up a 10 minutes count of timer so that when we upload it on YouTube, we could see where in the time the video thumbnail will appear. So we can on purpose select the best scene to put on that time so that when we hover our mouse to our thumbnail, it will show them our desired scene. There you go guys, I already uploaded the 10 minutes count up timer. Let's just have to wait until that 95% process becomes 100%. Hello guys, the uploading process just got finished and based on this time, 2 minutes and 26 seconds, the video thumbnail begins to appear. And it's a guess that when we put our best scene on 2 minutes and 26 seconds, it will be on the YouTube thumbnail preview. Well, let's find out. Earlier, I created this simple banner to illustrate the point of guessing the thumbnail preview time on a 10-minute video. I placed it in 2 minutes and 26 seconds and guess what? We're right. This banner appeared on the thumbnail video preview. Take a look at this. See? Oh, before I end this video, may I please invite you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Its name is Dongdong TV. Tutulungan ka ng video na ito, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dongdong TV. Thank you very much. See you soon. Like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Dongdong TV out. See you next video.